Music Theory, a complete course from grades 1 to 5. Lesson 34, Transposition. In grade 3 ABRSM and Trinity Music Theory, you will have to transpose, that means move, a melody up or down an octave from treble to bass clef, or vice versa. For example, the following tune from the treble clef when transposed an octave lower into the bass clef will look like this. The most common mistake in examinations is to write the tune at the wrong octave, often at the same pitch or 2 octaves away. The best way of making sure of getting exactly an octave apart is to work out how far the given note is away from middle C. So in this example, the last note is a B flat just below middle C, and when transposed an octave down, it'll be just below an octave below middle C. Another mistake I often see is that the student starts off okay with the correct note and then works horizontally going up or down a step or more to mirror the intervals in the given melody. So in this example, after getting the first note, the student might think, right, the next note is the same, then it's up 1 step, then the same, down 1 step, etc., etc. Now, this is fine, but if you miscalculate just one interval on the way, it will mean that all the notes following it will also be wrong. If you do use this method, check your last note is still an octave above or below the given note. Now let's see how much you have understood. On what line or space would you write this note to be an octave lower in the bass clef? This note is almost an octave above middle C, so the one an octave lower will be the one just below middle C, which is on top of the stave like this. Now, how would you write this note to be an octave higher in the treble clef? This is the E below middle C, so you would need an E just above middle C, which in the treble clef sits on the bottom line like this. Now I'll see you in the next video by clicking the card on the left, or for more practice on this topic, click the card on the right.